In this video, you'll learn how to enter maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. So you're going to start by navigating to the Settings app, then you're going to scroll and select the option Device Care. Once you've selected Device Care, scroll down until you find Maintenance Mode, tap on it, and then simply select Turn On. You'll need to set a screen lock first. So this is because that when you're exiting maintenance mode, you will need to use this screen lock so that you can safely exit maintenance mode. It also stops people from being able to access your device whenever they're going through maintenance mode. And then you'll be prompted to create a hint. So you can choose to create one or you can choose to skip. It's completely up to you. Then once you've finished creating your screen lock, just tap on Turn On, then tap on Restart. Verify your identity by using the same lock or screen lock type that you've chosen, and simply wait for your Galaxy Z TriFold to enter maintenance mode. And so as it enters maintenance mode, your device will go through a restart process. So simply just wait for the restart to complete itself. And then once the maintenance mode has completely switched or it's completely been enabled, now all you need to do is simply wait for the home screen to appear. Any customizations that you had previously made, such as customizing the wallpaper, they'll be removed. So it's taken back to its default with the bare basic apps that are currently available. And now you've successfully entered maintenance mode on your Samsung Galaxy Z TriFold. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next video.